mind is going. I can feel it and I cannot allow it to happen.
Imagine you are suspended in space. Bright-colored fractal pattern squares swirl in front of you. A huge white ball zooms toward your face. You have just become a paddle in a virtual 3D breakout game called Noseball. Noseball is just one of the games developed by a volunteer group of students called the Virtual Reality Research Team, known informally as the Toy Scouts. About 1 year ago, Professor Mike Moshell, senior scientist and founder of the Visual Systems Laboratory, wanted to find a way for undergraduate and even high school students to get involved with virtual reality technologies. His idea was to let these students use IST's research equipment, which would otherwise sit idle after hours. Under the guidance of Dan Mapes, UCF graduate student and IST employee, they started developing new hardware, peripherals, and software of their own design. Friday nights at the Visual Systems Lab find the Scouts engaged in a wide range of activities that are pushing the boundaries of VR research. With Dan as mentor, the Scouts have grown and expanded to include not only an interdisciplinary mix of students, but also professionals from the local design community who want to be involved with this technology. In addition, Rob Cato, a teacher at University High School, has formed a group of students who also attend the Friday night activities. These students take what they have learned back to a lab they are setting up on their own campus. This dual mentoring concept is being used as a basis for a proposed virtual academy which will link universities and high schools around the country with educational virtual worlds. For now, however, games are the major focus of the Scouts. Noseball, Ricochet, Virtual Darts, Cybersurf, and Jofu, highly interactive games that have been designed by the Scouts. These PC-based games all have full stereo visuals accompanied by rich sound. A variety of input devices, from standard joysticks to custom-designed gloves, allow interaction with these games. Ricochet is a target-type game where the participant uses a toy gun for an interface device. The challenge is to take aim at a moving and somewhat annoying target, which, if hit, blows to pieces, but keeps coming back. Noseball is a twist on the standard breakout game. Your nose becomes the paddle. It has various levels which get progressively more difficult, and strange creatures which serve as blockers to the targets. The game is exactly that. Its purpose is to rescue a princess from bizarre monsters in a space where even the floor does not stay the same. Floor tiles flash different colors which signal the safety or danger of a particular spot. Cybersurf was developed by the University High School group under Rob Cato's leadership and with additional input from local entertainment professionals. In this challenging game, the unique interface is a trampoline outfitted with a 3D tracker underneath that allows the computer to know where and how you are moving. The goal is to surf through the center of a series of jagged rings suspended in space by shifting your weight on the trampoline. In addition to these games, the Scouts also created a virtual walkthrough of the UCF campus. This walkthrough was originally developed on a PC platform and ported later to a state-of-the-art Silicon Graphics reality engine. Texture maps provide a high degree of realism, and navigation through the virtual campus is accomplished by physically walking on a treadmill. Virtopia is another VR project under development at the Visual Systems Lab. This aesthetic series of virtual environments is being done by IST researchers Jacqueline Ford Morie and Mike Goslin. While not a game, Virtopia is addressing issues of how participants can be more completely drawn into a virtual world through their emotional responses. This has applications not only for art, but for entertainment as well. One last game, Virtual Darts, utilizes a brand new interface designed and developed at IST. A pair of cord-type gloves allows contacts between all fingers and also parts of the palm. This two-handed cord glove interface was developed as part of the Army-funded Polyshop project. Polyshop is a versatile testbed for many networked VR applications, the first of which is a virtual CAD system, where a world builder in a laboratory can be networked to a location expert anywhere in the world. This allows them to share the same space to develop a virtual environment database. The Polyshop testbed's flexibility is why it is the platform of choice for the Toy Scouts game projects. IST is currently looking to expand its research areas. We are especially eager to tackle new work in the entertainment field as part of our mission to transfer military technology to civilian applications. Our innovative research, together with Central Florida's rising reputation in the entertainment world, could make the Orlando area a leader in the entertainment technology of tomorrow.